California's got me looking like a beach bum. Sun up in my hair, I'm rocking long beachy curls. I'm feeling like a Cali girl.
Hey, what's up guys? It's your girl Isabella and welcome back to another video. So for today's vlog, we're going to have a mukbang slash Q&A videos. So in this video, you're going to know more about me. So without further ado, let's get started. So first things first is I will show to you what are my snacks for today. What did I prepare for this video? So first, disclaimer, this is not sponsored. So baka naman. So first snack that I have here is this. It is piadas. Second is the Ribisco biscuit. Third is Goya chocolate. Actually, I ate already before I started to film this video. Next is the Graham and also the cream O. Let's start. So before this video, I posted on my IG account to ask some questions. So here it is. So this is what I posted on my IG account. Ask me a question. Here are the response. So first question is, hi, full name from Boryang. Hi Boryang. So my full name is, I am actually Hannah Isabella Almason, and yes, that is my name. That's my true name. So next question is from m_john.h. Hi. So her question is age. So actually, I am 18 years of age from the city of Cebu. So yes, I am 18 years old. It may not be that clear for my face because I look old maybe in personal. So next question is gender. What? Gender? Wait, let me clear this to you guys that I am a 100% female, and yes, I am female. So actually my classmates told me that I am a lesbian, like that. So just want to make it clear guys that I am not. I am 100% not. So yes, I am very talagang Filipina. So next question, let's move to the next question. So the next question is, hi from Gian Carol. Hi, may I ask what is your clothing style preference? So my clothing style preference, it depends on my mood because there are times when I want to dress up like a girly style, like dresses or flowy skirts, something like that, or wearing some off shoulders, something like that. So there are also times that I wear boyish outfits, like wearing oversized t-shirts and black jeans or any jeans that and something like that. So I like styles that will make me look what I really want to be on that day, something like that. So I am really into dressing up, so it makes me happy and it makes me relieve my stress, something like that. So I hope I answered your question. Fave place to chill. So my fave place to chill is really our home, which is this is our home. So here I am free to do whatever I want to do. I am comfortable here. I prefer to stay in the house because I feel so free to do everything I want. And my favorite place in the house is my room, actually, because there I can chill, like watch some K-dramas like that. That's it, guys. So let's that question is from Eliza Andade. Hi. So next is from Judge Althea. Hi, what is your philosophical perspective? So actually my philosophical perspective is I actually agreed to all of the philosophers. Yes, like Socrates states that there is two part of the self, which is the body and soul. So yes, that's somewhat true for me, because like what you can see, I have a body, then I have a soul in my inner part. So I also believe that there is also our mind that is controlling ourselves, and also behaviors also. Yes, then also what Saint Augustine said, that to conclude, I agreed to all the philosophers because I believe that there is a body, there is a mind, there is a soul, and there is a behavior, and these are all connected as one. So that makes us ourself right now. So that makes me myself. I have the body, I have the soul, I have the mind, I also have the faith in God. So that's it. So next question is from G. Kelly G. East or West preference? I am actually from the Philippines, so I adopted the East preference, but I somewhat have also West preference right now, because in our generation we're slowly adapting to the West preference. So East preference, yes, in terms of the way I am right now. I respect my elders. I call them not just by their names. I call them with respect, because that is what our culture has told us to do. Since we were a child, we need to respect the older ones. Unlike for the West, they only call them in their first names, something like that. So I admit that I am somewhat conservative in terms of relationship, something like that. So I also, in terms of my clothings, I can adapt to anything from both combined. So from East and West, so it's combination. It's called as cheers. Yes, because I am a Filipino and we are adapting to that way of living, and we should have the respect. Yes, we have these values that we should always follow, because that is what our culture. Just love your culture, and it does not mean that you should hate the other culture, something like that. You should also respect them because it is their own way. Yes, that's it. So next is, last question is from Luigi Christine. Hi Han, in what way does your family influence you? So my family influenced me a lot in terms of how I make decisions for myself, think on how I need to pursue, on what I need to pursue, and what I need to do in order for me to have a good life. Yes, something like that. So they influence me, yes, in making decisions. I don't make decisions agad-agad directly. I always think and think and think and think before I make decisions. So I'm making sure if that is the right decision that I will make or not. Something like that. And so that's it for our Q&A video slash mukbang. I actually didn't eat something. That's it, guys. I will end the video here. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in my next one. Bye bye.